How to add calendar in Asana. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, go on the left part of the screen and then simply tap on this My Task option. After that, it will automatically show you all the tasks that you have on your account. In here on top, you will see this calendar option. Simply tap on this one, and then after that, it will automatically add or show you the calendar. In here, you can simply add a task. To do that, tap on this Add Task option. And then as an example, I'm gonna type here, Submit report by Friday, and then simply tap on Enter for it to be added on our calendar. If you want to use a Google Calendar or sync your Google Calendar to Asana, what you need to do is to go in the top right corner of the screen and then tap on this Customize option. After that, tap on this Apps option, and then in here, tap on the Add option. After that, you will now see this Google Calendar. Simply tap on this one. And then after that, tap on this Add to Project option. And then in here, we will have to tap on this Connect to Google Calendar. After that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And then in here, tap on Allow. And then after that, we'll have to select our Google account. So as for me, I'm going to select my second account. After that, we'll have to tap on Continue. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this Got It option. After that, we will be automatically redirected to our Asana. In here, what you need to do is to refresh your Asana account. So, those are the ways on how you can add calendar in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.